Hi guys, in this trading system, your name is going to be customized as seen here. ATM binary system licensed to your name will be here. That's first. Two, for any trade to be valid, the volume is going to be above both lines. Now I'm having a magenta volume, which means I'm waiting for a sell signal. The sell signal will be valid after when I've seen this magenta color volume appearing above two lines. That is one. Two, I'll see a trend that cuts below my moving average, this white moving average. Then I'm going to see a trend that goes below the two band. Once that happens, then a pop-up. Vis-a-vis, I trade 1 minute expiration. If it is 1 minute time frame, gonna be 1 minute expiration. If it is 5 minute time frame, gonna be 5 minute expiration. If it is 15 minute time frame, gonna be 15 minute expiration. It works on any broker, be it IQ option, Manai.com, name it, whatever. I'm on the verge of programming this to expert advisor in such a way that if you are the type that trade with MT4 binary broker, you don't need to sit behind your system. Just set your time frame and expiry and the number of trades or your target, your stop loss, your martingale level. You just set it and boom, it trades on your behalf. But this trading system is not going to be free for anyone who had already gotten the BBM, but it's highly subsidized. This trading system is $75 USD one-time payment, very cheap. Okay, but for anyone who had gotten the BBM before, well, you can pay 40 USD if you so wish, no problem. And if you actually get this trading system for the conventional price of 75 USD, the trading system is quite different from the EA. So if you want to trade manually, you get it for 75 USD. You want to trade the EA is strictly 100 USD, but it's not yet out now. Still on the programming aspect of it. So I'm gonna take some trades now. Let's wait for it. As you can see before you, it doesn't repeat. No, not at all. Look at this is 1 minute. This is the winning. Another 1 minute. One. 1 minute. One. So let's wait and see how it goes. Let me change it to 5. Good. 5 minute separation AUD USD. 5 minute. Oh, no. Doesn't go. Doesn't go because look at this. The first rule, the volume must be above both lines. So I'm expecting a reversal. Also expecting a reversal here. So the best bet is for me to leave it here on 1 minute time frame. So let's go to Euro USD. A reversal. So a 1 minute time frame. Now the MACD and the moving average on the MACD are about crossing one another. Then look at the volume is above the two lines, which means I'm expecting a reversal. Then I'm also expecting this trend to be below the white moving average and also to cross down the two bands. Once it happens, a pop-up will emerge and I trade. Okay. So I'm going to pause this video until I get a signal that is valid. We are going to be trading GBP USD in 5 minutes expiration. Click here, then I click the last time here. Once the timer on your MT4, the timer on your MT4 is already below the value of 30 seconds, then you click here, you see here, you will see 5, then you click it, then that's 5 minute expiration. I just traded on 5 minute expiration. This is so risky. Why is it that risky? Because I saw that the trading system says I'm waiting for a reversal, but when I look at my price action, I saw this. Look at, I saw a W shape here, a W shape, which means a new trend up. And I actually saw that the trend has actually crossed above the white here, the white moving average, and the trend had crossed above both what is it called? Both bands. Possible up, and there is a pop-up. Well, I should be able to trust my trading system, right? The MACD is pointing straight up. So, hence I have 2 confirmation or 3 confirmation. MACD moved from negative to positive. The MACD line and the moving average of the MACD are parallel. They are going up, which means the trend is up. Okay, but the volume indicator is telling me that it has exhausted the uptrend and is coming down soon. But being the only one that is not agreeing, I still traded. Right? So let's see how it goes. But the best bet is this: when every signal align like this, look at this. Okay, no example. Anyway, it's risky, but I took the trade anyway. So let's just wait for it. You know, in binary, it's not over until it is over. So this is GBP USD, but knowing fully well that now I'm going to stake 10 US dollars, stay on 15 minutes, still on 10 minutes, 5 minutes expiration, because once it happens this way, the next will still be up. Now, in my trading system, in 80% of all time, once the arrow goes up this way and the trend goes against you, the following trend in 80% of all time goes into the direction. Okay, so in this case, I staked 10 US dollars. Knowing fully well I had already staked 5 US dollar that lost, I doubled it. Okay, because I have the bankroll that can carry it, and I have a set amount of my risk trade percentage per day, which is 20 US dollars. If I have a consecutive loss of 20 US dollars, maybe my first trade $5 loss, second one $5, and I have it like that, and everything total amount of 20, I quit trading for that day. That is my stop loss. So you should be able to define your stop loss, and you should be able to know how your trading system works. Okay. We are still in the trade, less than 2 minutes to the end of the trade. AUD JPY, AUD USD, Euro USD, USD JPY, and Euro JPY. I was actually waiting for this, but it took a turn up, so I will wait for it. So I just have this trade. I will take this when it comes, this when it comes, then this once it comes. If I can have those 111 trade each, then I'll close my platform for today. Let's wait for this and see how it ends. It's going to be in our favor. By God's grace. As you can see, we just won the trade here. We just won the trade. So let's see what's obtainable on Euro JPY. So I'm going to pause the video and wait for it. So as you can see already, this is on the Euro JPY. The trend is already below the white EMA. The trend is below the first upper band. Once the trend goes below the second upper band, there will be a pop-up, then I will trade down for 60 seconds expiration if there is a pop-up. This is AUD USD, Euro USD, AUD USD. I'm not going to take this trade. No. Okay, Euro USD. Let's see. Euro JPY, no. Euro USD. Okay, good. Let's wait and see Euro USD and just Euro USD. Okay, this is AUD USD and AUD JPY. So let's come to AUD USD. Okay, good. Euro USD. Look at the FX signal. The volume is above both trend line. The trend is below both the white trend line and the both band. If there comes a pop-up, then I will trade down. 5-minute expiration. 60-second expiration. No pop-up. Okay. Got a pop-up, but I didn't take the trade because the candle where the pop-up came up on was a doji. You can see you can't even see anything there because the candle, the same price it opened or the same price it closed. But actually the trend was moving. But I didn't take the trade anyway. You can see. So let's stop at AUD USD. Okay, there's a pop-up there. Let's look at the previous pop-up. It was a 1. You see, it was a 1. Neat. So let's wait for this to finish. Just about 5 seconds to the end of this trade. Okay, we are waiting for Euro JPY. I'm going to pause this video. Reverse the signal. Reverse the trend. So let's see. Okay. Well, as it is now, maybe we have to stop trading. Okay, USD JPY 5 minutes time frame. USD JPY 5 minutes time frame. So I'm going to wait. Oh no, it's contradicting. I'm not gonna trade. Okay, stop. 1 loss, 2-1. I'm gonna stop and I will resume when the New York time open. That's when the New York market opens by 2 p.m. GMT plus 1 and by 6 a.m. American time. 8 a.m. American time. I will continue my trading. This is enough tutorial for those who actually want to learn. Once again, Odeyemi Akinyemi is my name. Thank you and God bless you.